Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So we have another question from Känguru in Sweden. We have already done first question in our previous video. What do they say here? They say the year 2026. Okay, look at the year. It is 2026, right? Is called all even because 2026 consists of only even digits, right? How many years will pass before the year is first and all even year where its digits are all different? Okay, so if I add 2 here, the answer will be 2028, but this will be wrong. Why? Because digits are same. Look at the condition. They are saying that digits should be different. All digits should be different. Here 2 and 2 are same, so this answer is wrong. If I add 20, I will get 2046. This is right. Why? Because this is all even and all the digits are different, right? If I add 22, I will get 2048. This is also right. That because why? All the digits are even and different. If I add 38, it will be 2064. Here as well, all the digits are different and even. If I add 42, it will be 2068. This is also right. But since they are saying how many years will pass before the year is first means whatever is the what whenever you are getting first that year that is making all even different digits, you will take only that answer. So you will not take this and this. So our answer is what? 2046, right? So I hope you understood this. You will answer 20. After 20 years, you will get the year where all digits are different and all even, right? So if you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And for more such questions, you should visit my channel. And if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you. Bye bye.